Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickles without cucumbers. First, understand that many vegetables are excellent for pickling, offering a wide range of flavors and textures. We'll explore common options like carrots, green beans, and bell peppers. The fundamental process involves preparing a simple brine solution and ensuring proper sterilization for safe, delicious results. Let's get started with selecting your produce. Begin by thoroughly washing and trimming your selected vegetables. You might slice carrots into rounds or spears and trim the ends of green beans. Next, sterilize your canning jars and lids by submerging them in boiling water for at least 10 minutes. While they sterilize, prepare your basic brine. A good starting point is a 1-to-1 ratio of white vinegar to water, plus salt and sugar. Now combine your vinegar, water, pickling salt, and a touch of sugar in a saucepan. Heat this mixture until the salt and sugar completely dissolve, creating your flavorful brine. This is also the perfect time to add your favorite spices, such as fresh dill, garlic cloves, or whole peppercorns, directly to the brine. Carefully pack your prepared vegetables tightly into the hot, sterilized jars, leaving about ½ inch of headspace at the top. Once your vegetables are packed, carefully pour the hot brine over them, making sure all the vegetables are fully submerged. Tap the jars gently to release any air bubbles, then wipe the rims clean. Seal the jars tightly with their lids and rings, then let them cool completely on your counter. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Store your delicious homemade pickles in the refrigerator for several weeks and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.